Here we see that the blue crystal particles diffuse through the water from a region of high crystal concentration to a low concentration. Energy is not needed for the process, therefore we say that diffusion is a passive process. In these diagrams, we see diffusion of particles across the cell membrane into an animal cell. In the first diagram, there is very little difference in the particle concentration outside and inside the cell. A low concentration gradient will result in fewer particles diffusing into the cell. In the second diagram, there is a great difference between the two concentrations, with a much higher concentration outside the cell. A high concentration gradient will result in more particles diffusing into the cell. In this example of gas exchange in the lungs, there is a high concentration of oxygen in the air inside the alveolus compared to the blood. The oxygen will therefore diffuse into the blood from the alveolus down the concentration gradient. Similarly, there is a high concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood returning from the body compared with the alveolus. Therefore, the carbon dioxide will diffuse from the blood into the alveolus to be breathed out. When the oxygenated blood reaches the body cells, the oxygen will diffuse into the cells from a high concentration in the blood to low concentration in the cells. As the cells are respiring aerobically, the carbon dioxide they are producing as waste will diffuse out of the cell and into the blood from a high to low concentration before being sent to the lungs to be exhaled.